Good evening, one and all. This video describe what are different scripting languages are used for industry needs nowadays. Okay. The agenda is what is scripting language? Why are you going for the scripting languages? What are the necessity to go for automation and its advantages? What are the domains which are already used the automation, distribution of different scripting languages and their features. This is we can discuss it today. The scripting language, it is represented as a series of commands used within a single file. It is executable. For example, it is represented with the some example var equal to ls $var. sh represents a script file. Okay. Running command for the script file is represented with the this is that thing. Okay, sorry. Okay. This is the series of commands. Okay. The script is represented with the series of commands. You can call it all at a time. This symbol is called caret symbol. It is used for the to execute the different types of script Linux commands. Script is represented as series of commands or all are combinedly called in a single file. It should be executable. Why are you going for the scripting language? Wherever you have the manual work, this manual work is converted into scripting language, converted into the automation through the scripting language. The scripting is a bridge between the manual work and automation. In general, there are different limitations from manual work. Human resources should require it. It is the mandatory thing. Resources do the repetitive in nature. Their work nature is the repetitive. Each and every day you need to do the same thing. So that it is a time consumption process. It takes a lot of time without any development. Even though it is time consumption, it is less accuracy because of human resources involved in the task. Okay. By taking the first, second, and third points, it is required the more cost to pay the employee. So that each and every company wanted to reduce their cost by introducing the concept called automation. Okay. How it is benefited to the company is by using the this is the process. Automation is a process of converting the manual work as a form of in the program or machine. Here, in the automation, it required the either a program or machine. Both things are does not required at a time. Okay. If you wanted to go for the program, one time program only OTP represents. Okay. You need to spend the some time. Okay. The validity of the script is lifelong validity. So it is does not require the money with respect to machine. Either you require the second point or third point. Both points are does not required at a time. Okay. Compare with the manual human resources, the all electronic equipments are very high accuracy. Okay. By taking the first, second, and third points, it is very cost effective compared with the manual work. So that each and every company introduce the automation concept to reduce their cost. One of the day-to-day example we are seeing the automation. Okay. The first poser indicate the different signs given by the traffic master. It is not accuracy because of the human being mentality depending on the different parameters like weather, day or night. Okay, it is the depending on the season also. Okay. Here they instead of going for the traffic master, we go for the equipment. It is very high accurate. Okay, it is also lifelong validity. It is the one of the example which is used in day-to-day work. Different types of domains are used the automation irrespective of the IT industry. Transportation, navigation, electrical, electronics, pharma, aviation. It may be any type of the thing. Okay. Nowadays, each and every domain is inherently adopted by the automation. This is the future vision of automation. Okay. The robo is directly write the program depending on the instructions given by the user. As shown in figure, the robo developed the code. The scripting languages are classified into two types depending on their execution mode. Platform independent scripting languages. Some scripting languages they are working on the any type of operating system. Some of them are not. With respect to different features, Linux is more powerful than the Windows. This slide shows the different shell script families. First developed script is called Brownie shell. It is famously known as a shell script. Some variation from the shell script is represented as Brownie again shell script. Variation from the shell scripting is the corn shell. From the corn shell, you can develop the another extension version of the corn shell. Okay, this slide show that this is the shaded portion is the shell script related stuff. These languages does not have the any relationship with the C language. Okay. In the bottom side, we have the two languages, C shell scripting and Turbo C shell scripting. It has the similar to C syntax. These all scripting languages are working in Linux environment only. These are cannot executed in the Windows operating systems. The shell scripting is represented as a mother of the scripting language because all the other languages are derived from the shell scripting only. The shell scripting is represented as a default scripting language for all Linux, Unix and its flavor operating systems. The platform-dependent languages with respect to Linux environment, okay, are classified into two types: C-based scripting languages, C shell script, Turbo C shell script. These two languages have similar to C syntax. Non-C-based scripting languages: Shell script, Corn shell, Jet shell, Bash. These scripting languages does not have any relationship with the C language. Platform independent languages: Python, Perl, Ruby, VB Script, JavaScript and TCL/TK. These languages are executed on any type of operating system: Windows and its flavors, Linux, Unix and its flavors. TCL/TK is the one of the scripting language. It is used for the electronics and computer background domain applications. JavaScript, it is used for the software related scriptings. VB Script also similar to the JavaScript. Ruby, it is a different version of scripting language. It is especially used for the manual testing, for the protocol testing and telecommunication related stuff. Perl and Python are it is general purpose language which are used for the any type of automation related stuff. Okay. What are the different applications which are used the scripting? File management and its viewing. It means how many number of files are available and what are their sizes, what they contain. For example, log file and its content. File system management. It is especially related to the servers and its application for network engineering. Help, job, process and management. It is correspondent for the network and admin related stuff. They are automated the some process in such a way that suitable for the requirement of the clients. For example, provide the permission to India morning 9 to evening 7:30. Then another job provide the licenses to the another country depending on the application or geographical things. Network management. It is correspondent for the server related stuff for various applications. System management. It is correspondent for the normal PC, how provide the security to the system as well as its content. Nowadays, on the single system, there are the 3 to 4 members are working in a day, so that we can provide the security with respect to person to the another person. User management. It is credential employee credential related stuff with respect to domain or specific project related stuff. Printing and programming. It is the multi-process and multi-thread things which are done automatically through the specified script in the network management. Along with you can develop any automated scripts for day-to-day application or day-to-day work. This is the next coming trend for the automation is the instructions given by the user, the robot or the machine develop the required code depending on the voice collections. Is the next trend for the automation. Shell script is frequently used for all Linux related commands. Already we discussed the how to run the n number of commands in the Linux environment. Easy to use. How it is easy to use is the written sentence is represented as a programming. It is represented as a direct interactive mode of operation. So that the default scripting language is the shell scripting in the Linux environment. Without extension of the shell also it is treated as a shell script. I not provide the any extension to this program, but it is treated as a shell script and it is after executing this one, it perform the series of commands. This program contain the series of commands required depending on the user application. Portable. It can be connected from one system to the another system by using the SSH followed by the credentials. Perl is a practical extraction and reporting language. It is a dynamic programming language. It means it does not require the any data type declaration before the variable. It is especially used for the graphical programming, GUI related stuff, develop the different types of combo box, radio box, along with the geometry related stuff with the different boxes. Okay, you can create our own tools by using the Perl language. Network programming. One of the application for the network programming is the socket programming. It is used for the bioinformatics for the data science related stuff as well as the financial related stuff. It is the one of the application is banking. Camel, it is the symbol of the Perl. It is officially declared by that community. Procedural programming. It means it is consist of series of steps are executed one by one. The Perl script take the good features from the different languages like C, Lips AWK said. From the C language, it took the syntax as well as the variable related stuff. It is the sentence formation. AWK is one of the Linux utility. It is used for the file processing applications. Said it is used for the file altering process. Next coming videos we can discuss it about the AWK and said Python. It is represented as a open source and free software. It is also combined language. It combines the C, C++, Shell, Modula, AWK, Smalltalk. Due to the C++, the Python had the OOPS concept. Imperative. Computation is in terms of statements. Okay, it requires the less number of lines of code compared with the another scripting languages as well as the software programming languages. For example, list is represented as a series of numbers in the it is the array. I wanted to find out the maximum value of the given array. It has a well-defined built-in functions so that it takes the less amount of time compared with the another programming language. Okay, the same code required for the same module require the approximately 10 to 15 lines in the C language to find out the maximum value of given array. Okay, here only the already built-in function is available, just you need to use it. Python program is done by using the py. In the Linux environment, you need to mention Python instead of py. This is the what is the meaning of this. Next, it is used for the all mathematical and computer science related stuff. Log e to the power of x, log x, okay, sin x, sin transpose of x, like this. Procedural programming in the step-by-step manner execute the sentences or the steps. It is dedicated for the scripting language. Due to the feature of the C and C++, it is used for the development side also. It is a community-based development. It has the strong core team is available for the Python. The core team is hardly working for the requirement for the industry. Okay. The exceptional handlings are available. Okay. These are can be done it by using the programming with respect to real-time scenarios. It supports the garbage collection and memory management. It means the wastage of the memory is eliminated in the Python scripting language. Okay. Once our usage is over, then you need to remove the values or data from the memory. Next, performance wise, you can see how the different scripting languages are performed. In the 2018, the Python position is at the third position. Okay, due to the time to market feature of the Python. Okay, from the 2010 onwards, it increased its strength, length, and depth in the industry because of its rich set of libraries with respect to different domain applications. This slide shows what is the importance of the Python nowadays. Please let me know any queries. Thank you for one and all patiently listen my video. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.